Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1953 Buick Skylark Convertible and one of my personal favorite casting uh, in general a favorite car. Okay, and this is by Matchbox and this is a 2023 version. So I bought it for 149, which was the MRP at that time. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Think they is that a shadow? Yeah, this is a shadow. I thought it was a separate protector they had. Okay. Okay, here is the card art. Honestly, the card art looks so beautiful on this one compared to the others we unboxed. Oh, that is really gorgeous. Let me just put this aside. I don't know what's the difference between this one and the other versions of the card art. I bought it during the same time period. I mean, then maybe a month or so. Okay, so here's the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really solid. It looks good. So it has some paint scratches here. So again, this is not something common. It is something specific to mine. So don't worry about it. So detailing wise, it looks good. It has headlight detailing here, which is painted on, but it is still there. And the grill details are there, which is embossed, and all these things are chromed out. Okay, so this one doesn't have any taillight details, even the logo as well. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. It's chromed out plastic. It does have detailing, on the chassis. It looks good, but I really wish they could have went with, like matte black chassis. That would have been really good. So it has the exhaust detailing also here. That looks really nice, and you can see the interior here. It's not really that great, but it looks good. So it has this wiper detailing here. So luckily it doesn't have any scratches on the windshield here, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so the wheels are like the pretty standard Matchbox mainline wheels. So I personally love this set of rims compared to the other ones they normally do. Even the previous three castings which we unboxed, I personally prefer this over those three. I think those three are the same. Okay, so two are same, one is different. The Mazda Autosam is a different one, but still doesn't look really good. But this one is really good. Okay, so nothing much to be honest here. Okay, so this part here, all this are plastic. The interior, nothing is metal. Doesn't have any suspension or anything. It's just a main line. Okay, when it comes to Matchbox, you don't get suspension anywhere at all. If you guys are new for collecting, or if you guys are wondering, okay, let's weigh this casting. 30 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it reaches the end of the track. Produce a lot of noise, but and both wheels wobble. The rear wheel wobbles a lot, but still it does reach end of the track, and it is fast as well. So I don't see any issue with the rolling aspect. Okay, let's rate this casting. So like I don't know if you guys know this. Matchbox actually does both the headlight and tail light details, like 95% of the casting. So that's a common thing we are going for. So this one doesn't have any detailing on the rear at all. So I am taking zero point 0.5 out of 10. So sad that the casting looks really beautiful, but just for this one aspect we need to reduce that zero point 0.5. So 9.5 out of 10. But it is an absolutely gorgeous casting. So if you guys get a chance to pick this up, just go ahead and pick this one up. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.